Good morning, road trip part 2. So yesterday we checked out the thermal pools at Pamukkale. We went home, we slept like babies, and we woke up, had some breakfast at the hotel, yay Turkish breakfast, and now we are on our way to a place called Salda Lake, which looks amazing. So let's go. So we've just pulled off the road here at Salda Lake. I don't think this is the main entrance because there's absolutely nobody here, and I have no words for it. It's stunning. Mud. I'm stuck. Oh my gosh. Yeah.
Now this is a moment, unfortunately, I didn't catch on camera because I had my back turned to her, and she attempted to walk out towards the waterfront there and literally fell into mud and could not get out, and I had to run out and try and save her and get her out of it. But if you take a look at her feet there and her pants and her shoe.
I lost my shoe. I'm actually grateful that I was able to dig it out of the mud because it was probably like 1.5 feet deep. And there's my shoe. Hopefully I can clean that off. Bottles of water later and a change of pants, and this is about the best I can do as far as a cleanup goes. I'm still pretty much covered in mud. Bonus, it's supposed to be therapeutic mud. That being said, I was just saying to Jeff that was a really dumb move, right? I didn't know how deep that mud was. I could have just sunk waist deep and it would have been really bad news. So happy to be getting out of here with nothing but a little bit of mud on me.
And this just keeps getting better. Not only are we dealing with her and trying to get her cleaned up, as we were all the way down at the waterfront there, which is probably 400 meters or so from the main road where we parked at, we could hear the police up here honking their horns and shouting things over the loud system in Turkish. We had no idea. We could just see the car off in the distance by our car, so we knew it was about us. Thank God, car is still there. We have not been towed.
They were probably trying to tell us not to wade into the mud.
We've decided to scrap the plans of the lake. There's just too much that went wrong too quickly in that situation there. So we've got something else in mind. So we're back on the road again and we're heading back towards Dalyan, but we have a stop we're going to make along the way. We'll show you that when we get there. On the journey to our next location here, we got a little hungry, so we stopped to get something to eat. We are just picking up a couple of pides and a big bottle of water. Pide is like a Turkish pizza and fast becoming one of our favorite treats. About 3 hours of driving, we are here. Now we've got, I think, a 20-minute hike or so, and we should be to our location.
a lot better, and it's so worth it just to swim in this gorgeous pool of the waterfall. Swam in a waterfall before, so I'm just beaming. I'm so happy. We're gonna get out of here right now, walk back to the car so we can round off our road trip by going to return the rental car.
Thank you guys for coming along with us these last 2 days on this road trip. It's been a lot of fun. It's been very exhausting. If there are any things you guys would like to see us do while we're out on the road here, leave a comment down below and let us know. And
don't forget to like and subscribe to see what happens next.